Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create a simple server using the Express.js. Step by step. Express is a popular framework for Node.js that make it super easy to create a web server in just a few lines of code. So let's start and learn how to build a REST API. Sorry, how to run and how to build it Express.js code. So I have already deleted this file. Now I am same folder, create a folder called REST API. Inside same root directory, install the package, create a JSON package. It's taking some time. Oh, it's initialize the JSON file inside the REST API. Now need to install Express. It's depend upon the time. It take few seconds. Now package.json file is already ready and node modules installed. Now go to root directory and create a file called server.js. Now start the writing the code. Require Express. Now create app equal to Express. Import the Express on the top and now create a Express application using the Express functions. Now create the app.get root means when someone is visit open the main page, so our server will send the feedback called root home page or main page. Create response and server request and response. Create the arrow function. Now send the response status code with 200 for JSON. Provide the message and give the title. Title is a successful and give the message successful launch Express application. Give the semicolon. Come out and create a port number. I am giving the port number 9920. Now app dot listen the port number, provide the port, comma, keep the arrow function, console.log server is running with port number 4. Now save the program. App.listen means start the server with the port number 9920 and npm start the server. Server is start the 9220. Open the Chrome browser and refresh the same. Here is show you the message title is successful and message is successful launch Express application. This is working proper. So this is a full of the Express.js setups and installation and run the program. So quick recap in this video. What I am saying, this: how to install Express, how to create a basic server, how to send a response to JSON format. If you Thanks guys for this watching video. If you find this video for helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos for Node.js, JavaScript and web development. Thanks guys.